Welcome to the channel. It's true, just when you think things can't get any worse, they somehow do. The trajectory of our once beloved browser, the very symbol of digital freedom and open access, isn't just declining, it's accelerating downward. Recently, Mozilla announced that upcoming installations of Firefox will require users to agree to terms of use. This is not just a minor detail, it's a symbolic, philosophical, and principled shift. A terms of use agreement implies that before using something, you must accept certain conditions. Traditionally, open source software, whether individual programs or entire operating systems, does not impose such requirements, aside from the fundamental principle of free use. The fact that, after more than 20 years, Firefox has reached this point speaks volumes about the sheer blindness and desperation of those managing the project. The user base for Firefox has already shrunk to a bare minimum, currently hovering around 3% of desktop users, consisting mostly of hardcore enthusiasts and Linux users. Alienating even this last stronghold will only accelerate the complete disappearance of the browser. If Mozilla were truly committed to transparency and user freedom, the introduction of terms of use wouldn't even be necessary. Open source means unrestricted usage without artificial barriers, and requiring users to accept terms before using a browser contradicts the very principles the project was built on. The fact that Mozilla feels the need to introduce this clause raises concerns. Are they trying to preemptively justify controversial decisions? Is this about data collection, the integration of external services, or just a move to comply with increasingly rigid legal frameworks? But the real question is, if Mozilla has always operated in the user's best interest, why does it now feel the need to make them sign a contract? This sets a dangerous precedent, institutionalizing a relationship between Mozilla and its users that was previously built on trust and open source principles. If we accept terms of use today, what will we be forced to accept tomorrow? Is this just the first step in Firefox's gradual drift away from true software freedom? I want to resist. I want to keep using it. I don't want to be forced to switch. Firefox is more than just a browser. It's a symbol of freedom and digital emancipation, a symbol that unfortunately seems to be fading away. A truly transparent foundation that genuinely puts users first shouldn't need such agreements. Its actions should speak for themselves, without shifting power away from users and towards centralized control. Thanks for watching.